Are there any measles cases in Defiance or any pending measles cases that you're aware of?
No, and actually there's no cases in the state of Ohio. We vaccinate one segment of the population, but also probably the majority of children go to their own healthcare providers, and so we have no way of knowing coverage for Defiance County. Now, children typically get their booster at 5 years of age for kindergarten, so the schools do know how many children coming in the school system do have their second MMR.
What are the serious effects of not getting your child vaccinated for measles?
Well, I'm going to read right from the Ohio Department of Health because they express it the best. 1 out of 10 children will develop earaches. As many as 1 out of 20 children get pneumonia, and about 1 child in every 1,000 who get measles develop encephalitis, and this is an inflammation of the brain. And then for every 1,000 children get measles, 1 or 2 will die from it. By law in Ohio, all children are mandated to have 2 MMR vaccines before entering kindergarten. And the majority of parents do immunize those children, and as long as they've had the 2 doses, they're considered 100% coverage.
Do you feel that children are safe from autism to go ahead and get these vaccines?
Yes. Very definitely the one study that linked MMR and autism was debunked. And even the, the professionals who even backed the study have now all backed out of that study. They don't support that. And I think, Jamie, you were talking about the Autism Foundation.
Autism Speaks came out and suggested supported getting vaccinations.
And they said that there was no tie-in to autism.
Right.
Because our parents saw the devastating consequences of vaccine-preventable diseases because there was no vaccine. So I think parents at that point really wanted their children vaccinated to prevent those awful diseases they saw. And I think that carried through, but now I think that people are not seeing the diseases. They don't understand the consequences, the sequelae of it, so they just don't vaccinate. And yes, that surprises me. I never thought we would see that, yes. I tend to view vaccines as being very harmless. That's how the studies portray them. And so if you can prevent those diseases with a vaccine, it just seems the best choice.
I think what we would encourage is parents just to be educated and make sure that when they're getting information on immunization that it's from a reliable source. As you can imagine, especially with the measles outbreak, there's a lot of information out there. Some of it is scientific based, some of it is scientific backed, and some of it is not. So we just really encourage, if you have any questions, talk to your healthcare providers, give us a call here, and we can refer you to sources that are reliable to make sure you're getting accurate information to make the best decision for your family.